So we're down here at the shop today. We're going to be showing you how to put a crank sensor into this Lt1 Trans Am. We got to get underneath the car, so safety first. We done got it jacked up because that's what you're supposed to do, jack the car up. Because it's hard to get these on lamps basically because they so low to the ground. And we got, you know, safety. We got a lamp under it just in case it falls. Jack stands work too. Jack stands, yes. So let's go in here and get some tools. Underneath the car is your location of your crank sensor. Right behind this pulley here, you should be able to see pretty good view. It's 8mm, and you gotta remove this clip. And it's got one 8mm in it. And you might lose a little bit of oil from this sensor, so be prepared, because this is the timing chain cover that this fits in. So get your other one ready to shove in it as soon as you pull this one out. This sensor came from Advance Auto, if you want to know. No, I do not have the part number right offhand, but it's on that box. That's the part number. You're welcome. Uh-oh. What is it? Oh, nothing. I just said, uh-oh, dog's barking. And then you wiggle it, and it should pop right out. The only thing is holding this is the O-ring. It's friction fit. That goes. We're losing a little bit of oil. Not a lot. Somebody's put some RTV around it. Make sure that's clean, but the O-ring pretty well seats. That's pretty good, Shane. Get some of that silicone that's been leaking before. Yep, somebody said, oh, we just put silicone in there.
Might need a paper towel.
Might need a paper towel. How about a baby wipe?
No.
Okay. Baby wipes. Because baby wipes are not only good for babies, they're good for cleaning hands and mechanics. Hold on, Shane, I gotta get you a baby wipe here. Here you go. More silicone. It's nice of them. They're gonna stop the leak, wouldn't they?
Yeah. He's trying to take care of it.
I use cheap silicone though. You don't use cheap silicone oil. You know?
Right.
Or if you use the original silicone. Put some Permatex on that. Ultra gray. That thing sensor broke in half by the time we got that out of there.
Is this a little cover on this? Okay, that's made.
Yes, that's how it's made, Shane. It's magnetic. And they are snug fit and they are hard to get in there. So they do take a little force. You can wet the O-ring with a little bit of oil if you must. You know, it's not a have to, but it does help it go in a little smoother. And be sure not to press it in at an angle, because you can cut your O-ring and then you're going to have a leak. So if your sensor leaks after you install it, most likely you damage the O-ring on the install. And you want to just snug it up. Don't want to over tighten it. Don't need to be in all the O-ring. Just hold, you know, the bolts just are to help hold the O-ring in place. You don't have to be super snug. Next step is pretty much, calm down, resetting your codes. Clear your computer before you even start it. Just go ahead and wipe the codes. You know, some Trans Ams is older than that. You have to remove the battery tunnel and stuff. If you can't wipe your codes, it shouldn't be an issue. It should go away on its own. But try to wipe your codes. It does help. Sometimes the computer, you know, gets confused. So Shane, go inside that car and wipe the codes. And then we start it. And you can hear it run. Oh. the code scanner we are using is this part number. It's not too expensive, is it, Shane? Codes found for, you know, we're going to waste the codes. Bye-bye codes forever, hopefully. Press any key to continue. There you go. No engine light, besides the current sensor bad. Now you can crawl underneath your vehicle and check it for leaks. You know, you don't want it leaking and dripping oil. It's simple, because if you drip too much oil, your engine runs out of oil and the engine blows up. It goes boom. Sometimes it seizes up and you go, you know. Sometimes it just goes knocking. Keep a check on your oil. So we can put the Trans Am on the ground again. It's good. Test drive it, but the lights ain't came back on. And it's running a lot smoother, so hopefully this fixes a lot of intermittent issues with kind of the way it's running. Sometimes it takes bad spells, you know. Well, a lot of odd little issues, and it's throwing the crank sensor code. So the crank sensor was probably on its way out. Sometimes they go completely out and the car just won't start. So, thank you for watching. Drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.